In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring a bit more joy into your computer interactions, and we'll be doing that using a simple Windows shortcut. This is a quick and easy guide, but it's sure to put a smile on your face. So let's dive in. First things first, let's get comfortable with where you need to start. You'll want to look at your keyboard and locate the Windows key, which is usually found at the bottom left corner, and the semicolon key, often to the right of the L key. These two keys are vital for the little trick we're about to learn. Now you're going to press them together. Ready? Go ahead and hit the Windows and semicolon keys simultaneously. This little combination is your gateway to a treasure trove of emojis right at your fingertips. No apps or downloads needed. It's like unleashing an instant smile factory. So once you've done that, you'll see a little emoji panel pop up on your screen. This is your place of joy and expression. From here, you can choose from a wide array of emojis to add some flair to your texts, emails, or even notes. But today, we're on a special mission. Now, what we're after specifically is the tears of joy emoji. It's that classic face with tears streaming down from eyes that are squeezed shut in laughter, instantly recognizable and a great way to lightheartedly express amusement or happiness. In this emoji panel, you'll find a search bar either at the top or embedded within it. Click on that search bar with your mouse or touchpad to start typing. With your cursor placed in the search bar, type out tears of joy. As you type, you'll see the options narrow down to the emoji you're seeking. This smart search will help you find the emoji in no time, saving you from scrolling through pages of icons. Once you see the iconic tears of joy emoji appear in the results, you're ready for action. All you need to do now is click on it. Clicking it instantly places it in wherever you're typing. Perhaps you're in a document, an email, or chatting with friends online. Just like that, you've added a fun, happy twist to your message. It's a wonderful way of lightly sharing a moment of joy in any digital conversation. And there you have it. A simple, quick way to spread smiles digitally with nothing more than a keyboard shortcut and a few clicks. It can brighten up your day as well as anyone else's who receives it. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find many opportunities to share your newfound emoji knowledge. Share a laugh, spread the joy, and enjoy making the digital world a bit more colorful and fun.